Welcome to my channel Improve English with Hina Memon. In today's video we will discuss about 10 points of how to speak English fluently. Speaking skills we will discuss. So before starting the video, please like the video if you like and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Improving English fluency is a gradual process that involves consistent practice and exposure. Here are 10 points to help enhance your English fluency. Please subscribe for more informative videos. Read regularly. Read a variety of materials including books, articles, newspapers, and blogs. Choose topics that interest you to make the process enjoyable. Listen actively. Watch English movies, TV shows, and listen to podcasts or audiobooks. Pay attention to pronunciation, intonation, and common phrases. Speak aloud. Practice speaking English regularly. This can be done by reading aloud, repeating sentences from movies, or engaging in conversations with native speakers or language exchange partners. Use language learning apps. Utilize learning English learning apps that offer interactive lessons, vocabulary building exercises, and speaking practice. Join language classes. Enroll in English language classes or find language exchange groups where you can practice speaking with others who are learning or are fluent in English. Expand vocabulary. Learn new words daily and try to use them in your conversations. Use flashcards or vocabulary apps to reinforce and memorize words. Write regularly. Practice writing essays, short stories, or journal entries in English. This helps improve not only your writing skills but also your overall understanding of the language. Immerse yourself. Surround yourself with the English language as much as possible. Change your phone, computer, and social media settings to English and expose yourself to the language in different contexts. Take pronunciation seriously. Work on your pronunciation by listening to native speakers and imitating their speech patterns. Consider using pronunciation apps or online resources. Engage in real-life conversations. Seek opportunities to converse with native speakers or fellow learners. This could be in person through language exchange programs or online platforms. Remember, improvement comes with consistent effort and a positive mindset. Celebrate your progress and don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are a natural part of the learning process. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.